watching Ben Mantra. Before we get in the video, we have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, Ben Mantra _ and comment done on the giveaway video. Be giving away a 1,000 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers, we're gonna do my secret collection video. So today's video is, so a lot of people have been asking me, how do I make that Supreme couch that I have? Because I do videos on the Supreme couch. It's not really a Supreme couch, it's just a regular couch that I have. It's right here. People have been asking me, how'd you get it? Where'd you get it? Did you make it? Did you buy it? So I'm gonna show you guys just how I made it. And no, I did not buy it. I just bought this blanket. So all you gotta do, I'm gonna order another blanket because this one is for my bed. I'm gonna buy one for my couch. And so I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Supreme couch. So the first thing we need is the Supreme blanket. So let's get the Supreme blanket off my bed. So we just got the Supreme blanket off my bed. Step one down. I'm gonna buy another one of these to use for my couch for videos. So let's just put this on the couch. I'm gonna show you how I do it. First off, you want to get the Supreme level. I'm gonna show you guys like in detail. So you want to get the Supreme level. So we have to get the Supreme level. So what you want to do is obviously make it an S, and the E is level all the way down. Make it look nice. Or you can have it up more a little bit. I want it up like this. You can almost see the S and E. Let me get this a little better.
I'm looking out the window. I see my reflection. I know
there you go, something like that.
But I have direction to
so you're gonna have it like this. So it has an S right here,
I don't wanna borrow,
and the E. You don't want it slanted or anything. You want it nice and straight. And now what you're gonna do? I'm gonna come down and show you. You're gonna press into these little things right here, the creases of the couch. So now you can see a little better what we're doing. You can see we have to get these creases right here. Push that in. You want to make it look nice. I see the Supreme go up, so you want to put this up a little bit. And then put it all in the creases. And then we're gonna even it out a little bit. So now we're done with this. Now we have to work on the armrest here. So as you can see with the armrest, you have like this little bunch up. So what we got to do is just kind of work it in to make it not like bunched up. So get into here, into there, to not have it all bunched up, so you have that perfect, and then you have the LV right here. Then we have to do the same to the other side. So same thing to this side. This one's almost basically done. And then you can actually get into here, right here. It's all about the details. And then there you go. So that's how you make a Supreme couch. I hope you liked the video, and like I said, guys, we have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, Ben Mantra _ comment done on the giveaway video. Be giving away a 1,000 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers, we're gonna do my secret collection video. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe, and until next time, peace. Dropped out of school, I did